Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes S400. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. At the beginning, take a look under the dashboard. Right here we've got this red lever. Pull it to unlock the hood. To lift it, you have to find second lever, which is right here. Pull it, and now you can lift the hood up. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.